Did you know you can bake sweet, delicious plantains in the oven or the barbecue? No fat and filled with energy. This is Chef Pachi, and today I'm going to teach you how to make baked plantains. The ripe plantains were green, then they turn yellow, and then they turn black like this. You touch them and they should be tender but not mushy. If they're mushy, they're gonna taste a little like overripened. All you have to do is place them onto a piece of foil or on a baking pan and put them in the oven. The oven should be turned on at 350 degrees and they're gonna take about an hour, especially if they're big like this one that was really wide in the center. So it can be 45 minutes to an hour. Look at it, halfway through, it's almost done, but look at it, it's beautiful. I'm gonna leave it 5 more minutes and it's ready. So at 350 degrees, you put your plantain in the foil without cutting the ends or anything. And watch this, this is how they come out. Beautiful, golden, sweet, and delicious. They are full of potassium and magnesium, and especially rich in fiber. They also have lots of vitamins, even B vitamins. You can serve 4 people with 1 baked plantain. Give them some Colombian sweetness with Chef Pachi, delicious food, amazing mood. Enjoy!